Hey guys, so today we'll be solving one more HackerRank problem, which is the no idea problem, and it is a Python problem. So in this problem, we basically have to keep the track of happiness. And what is the criteria of happiness? So basically, we are given one array and two sets, one array and two sets. And what we have to do, the output should be a single integer. That is the rate of your total happiness. And how do we calculate the happiness? For example, if there exists an array, let's say the name of the array is array only, and if there exists two sets A and B. So if the element of array is there in A, that simply means if there is common element between array and the set A, we get a positive happiness for each common element between an array and A. And similarly, we get a negative happiness. We get negative happiness for each common element, in the array and in the set B. So how do we move forward with the code? So if you can see, the input is like the first line integers. The first line contains integers n and m separated by a space. So first of all, we need to gather this n comma m equals to int of I for I in input. Sorry, for I in input dot split. Then again we have then the next step is basically the second line contains n integers, the element of the array. So array is equals to list, then map. We basically are using the map function, which maps the integer data type to each and every element of the input, and then it gives out all the elements inside a list. Similarly, we just have to do the same line for the set, and I just copy pasted it. I'm just being lazy. And this is the B set. We just have to write set over here because the A and B, they are not arrays, they are sets. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a dummy variable, let's say happiness, and my initial happiness is 0. And I'm going to loop over for each and every element in array for value in array. And if the value exists in A, then I get a happiness +1. If value in B, if the value in the array exists in B, then I get negative happiness. Ultimately, I have to print out my total happiness. So let's run the code. Okay, so we pass a sample test case, and then we submit the code. Okay, so we are done with the code. So basically it was easy, but the main fundamentals we use in this question was the map function, the split function, and yeah, those were the two main functions we used. Split functions basically split a string on the basis of spaces, by default on the basis of spaces, and creates a list, whereas a map function maps the element, maps the data type. Like for this example, in this example, map function, what is the map function is doing? Whatever you're inputting, if it is a number, then only it can map integer data type to that number. So I hope you were able to understand the solution. Thank you, and please do share, like, and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day. Thank you so much.